ମୁଁ ଆଉ କ'ଣ କରିପାରିଥାନ୍ତି? What else could I do? What else could I do? ତାଙ୍କୁ ତୁରନ୍ତ କ୍ଷମା ମାଗ। Apologize to her immediately. Apologize to her immediately. ମୁଁ ଧୂମପାନ କରୁଥିଲି। I used to smoke. I used to smoke. କିନ୍ତୁ ମୁଁ 4 ବର୍ଷ ଆଗରୁ ଛାଡ଼ିଦେଲି। But I gave up 4 years ago. But I gave up 4 years ago. ସମୟ କେତେ ହେଇଛି? What is the time? ଏମିତି ବି ପଚାରି ପାରିବା। What time is it? ତାକୁ ବୁଝେଇବା କୌଣସି ଆବଶ୍ୟକତା ନାହିଁ। There is no need to make her understand. There is no need to make her understand. କୌଣସି ରାସ୍ତା ନଥିଲା। There was no way out. There was no way out. କ୍ଷୀର ପାଇଁ ପଇସା କେଉଁଠି ଅଛି? Where is the money for the milk? Where is the money for the milk? ତାର ସବୁ ଟଙ୍କା ହଜିଗଲା। ଏହି ବାକ୍ୟକୁ ଆମେ ଏମିତି ବି କହିପାରିବା, ସେ ସବୁ ଟଙ୍କା ହାରିଦେଲା। He lost all his money. He lost all his money. ମୋତେ ତୁମ ମୁଣ୍ଡରେ ତେଲ ଲଗାଇବାକୁ ଦିଅ। Let me put some oil on your head. Let me put some oil on your head. ଏହା ତୁମ ବ୍ୟଥାକୁ କମ୍ କରିଦେବ। ଆମେ ଏମିତି ବି କହିପାରିବା, ଏଥିରେ ତୁମ ଯନ୍ତ୍ରଣା କମ୍ ହୋଇଯିବ। It will lessen your pain. It will lessen your pain. ଖରାପ ଅଭ୍ୟାସ ଛାଡ଼ିଦିଅ। Give up bad habits. Give up bad habits. ଏହା ବିଷୟରେ ପରେ ଭାବିବ। Think about it later. Think about it later. କାଲି ରାତିରେ ତୁମେ କ'ଣ କରୁଥିଲ? ଏହି ବାକ୍ୟକୁ ଆପଣ ଇଂଲିଶରେ ଟ୍ରାନ୍ସଲେଟ୍ କରିକି କମେଣ୍ଟସରେ କୁହନ୍ତୁ। ଏହାକୁ ଦୂରକୁ ନେଇଯାଅ। Take it away. Take it away. ତୁମେ ବହୁତ ଭାଗ୍ୟବାନ। You are very lucky. You are very lucky. ମୁଁ ଠିକ୍ ସେ ଚାଲିପାରୁନି। I can't walk properly. I can't walk properly. ମୋତେ ଗୋଟେ କଲ୍ କରିବାର ଅଛି। I have to make a call. I have to make a call. ଏହି ଆଳୁ ସଢ଼ି ଯାଇଛି। This potato is rotten. This potato is rotten. ଏହା ଖାଇବା ଯୋଗ୍ୟ ନୁହଁ। It is not eatable. It is not eatable. ପାଣି ନଖ ଉଷୁମ ହୋଇଯାଇଛି କିମ୍ବା ପାଣି ଅଳ୍ପ ଗରମ ହୋଇଯାଇଛି। The water has turned lukewarm. The water has turned lukewarm. ଏଠି ଭିଡ଼ କରନି କିମ୍ବା ଏଠି ଗହଳି କରନି। Don't crowd here. Don't crowd here. Thank you so much for watching.